Assalamu alaikum everyone. So last video we download and install Git in the Windows. So today we are going to download and install Java in the local system. Also we are going to set the environment path. So the first I'm going to open Git, open Git bash, and I'm going to see if I have a Java in my system or not. So I'm going to type Java hyphen version. So it's a bash Java command not found. So it basically means that we don't have Java in our system. So we are going to open Google Chrome and just type download JDK 17. Let me maximize the window. So you have to download from the Oracle. Okay. So I'm going to click the first link. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see the installer, the Windows installer. So select the MSI installer. So click this link and it's downloading. Go to the download folder. Now double click on this. Okay, you will get the Windows widget like this. Now click next. Next. So you will get the Windows alert message. So you have to just click yes. Now click close. So it says JDK install successfully. So now let me run the same command again. Still not found. Let me refresh. Git bash. Okay, it says Java 17.0.9 has been installed. Now we are going to add the Java in our system variable. So the first we need to see where the Java was installed. So click on the local this PC, then C drive, then click on program files. Under the program files, you see this is the Java folder. So we have to go in the Java folder, click on JDK, then click this, click the empty place here on the at the bar and copy this path. In the search box, Windows search box, type edit, just edit, and you will see the edit the system variable. So edit the system variable, right? So you also able to see the edit environment variables for your account. Do not click on this. So click on edit the system variables. Then you will see the system properties window. So click on environment variable. And then under the system variable, click new and says Java, all the uppercase, Java _ home, and paste the path. Then click OK. And now we are going back to this location again, where we have a Java JDK. So now click on bin. Now click this path again. Then go to the system, edit system variable. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the path. Here, under the OS, there is a path. Click on this and click edit. Click new and paste this path. And click OK. Click OK. Click OK. And you can close all the window. So this is how you are going to download and install Java JDK 17 in your Windows machine. Thank you.